In front of me is HMD Pulse Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by launching Play Store and getting free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme. When it's ready, open it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then select Consent in the pop-up. Tap on those three lines at the bottom right corner and hit Set as Live Wallpaper. Then select Yes. Tap on this gear at the top right corner and manage all of those options, however you want to. Then go back, tap on Set Wallpaper and decide where to apply it. So when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!